So we're going to talk about this little black box. It goes right there, and it's called a SAM. Grabbed it and put it out here. The Spark Advanced Module. This is kind of like a control box, kind of like things have a CDI on them that controls the spark. Twins and some single cylinder Kohlers have this SAM on it, and it controls your coils, so when you have spark. And what happens is these things will go bad. So here's the little story. Alright, so someone at Kohler had this bright idea. Today we're talking about this little black box that causes big headaches. The Kohler SAM, or Spark Advanced Module. If you've got a Kohler V-twin that cranks but has no spark, this box might be your problem. So the SAM module controls spark timing based on RPMs and sometimes other signals. It works with the ignition coils and tells them when to fire. Sounds great in theory, but when this thing goes bad, it kills your spark completely. No start, no fire, no fun, you're not mowing today. So over time, the SAM module tends to fail from vibration, moisture, or just plain bad electronics. There's no real repair. When they go, they go. And the worst part, they're pricey and hard to find. So if you have these symptoms, cranks but no sparks, intermittent spark that comes and goes, no voltage going to the coils, but you tested the coils and they're good, but still no fire. Well, it's all because of this SAM module, the Spark Advanced module, the little black box that's causing you the headaches. So, but the good news is you can ditch the SAM and convert your setup to a standard ignition system. So remove the SAM module completely, install standard Kohler ignition coils, the ones with the built-in modules. That's the smart way to go. Wire the kill wire, so from your key switch right to the coil key terminals. No SAM needed. It's now a simple magneto ignition like older engines. So look down in the description, you'll see what you need. 2 standard Kohler ignition coils, like for a CH or CV engines. All comes in the kit, so look down in that description. So if your Kohler engine is dead and you see this black box on there called a SAM module, that's probably to blame. Skip the replacement of that box, convert it to the basic system, and keep it simple. This is what will save you from all the headaches. If this helped you, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. It's free! For more mower tips and flips, this is Rich. Catch you on the next one.